Friends, Running Kimono here. I hope you're all doing fantastic. Okay, this is your curbside deals over at Walgreens for the week of the 10th to the 16th. Curbside means you're ordering this stuff through the app, paying for it, driving to the store, picking it up, and that is lovingly known as a curbside pickup. You're hitting the box on the left-hand side with the green check as well when you're ordering your stuff. If you are the kind of shopper that likes to be in store, you're about the register rewards, and you're just not about curbside shopping or online shopping, watch yesterday's video. So many deals with register rewards, a lot of cheap stuff this week, which we love. But translating this to online or curbside, a lot of the deals are also being mirrored where you're getting Walgreens cash, such as the Garnier and Colgate. So we love to see that. So let's get right into it. I could not track this down at any of my stores. This is a very sizable bag of almost 8 ounces of the Twix cookie dough minis. I know a lot of you would love this. Original price $7.29 down to $1.79. If you want to toss it in your basket, you need a Monday sweet treat, this would be the item I would grab. Let's get right into the deals with deal number 1. For this one, we need this Friend Loaded, which is a 10 back when you spend $45. Hopefully you got the same one as I. It's really nice. And it's of a one-time use as well. So the first item you're grabbing is 4 of these Walgreens razors. Buy one, get one 50% off, and a $2 of Walgreens cash when you buy 2. So we're going to get $4 back, which makes these razors so cheap. We're also going to grab 2 CoverGirl products. So one of these face compact presses for $8.99. We have a $3 digital that you're going to load for this. And then you're also going to pick up an eye product, so something really cheap like this mascara for $3.14. Buy one, get one 50% off. And another $3 digital coupon to load. So how great is that? Also to the cart, you're going to throw in 2 of the Tresemes, and we have a 4 off a 2 digital coupon and $4 of Walgreens cash when you buy 2. That's a similar deal in store, but it's with a register reward, so that's great. But if your register rewards never print, this is a workaround. We're also going to grab 2 of these fancier Colgates for $10. We have a 5 off a 2 digital coupon, $4 in Walgreens cash when you buy 2 of these. And moving it along, 2 of the Garnier Fructis for $7.98. We have a 3 off a 2. And then when you buy 2 of these, you're getting back $3 in Walgreens cash. This or the whole blends, you pick which one you want to pick up. Just to show you guys the gorgeous chorus line, all of the digital coupons are melting off. And then I'm also using the code WAG10 to save an additional $1.71 off. So that is fantastic. The overall balance for this is $48.07. Subtracting that $171, we are still at that $45 threshold for spend $45 to earn back $10. We have $18 in digitals melting off. With your debit or credit card, you're going to pay $31.14, and you're getting back $25.68 in Walgreens cash. Now, IBOTTA has a rebate for both the face and eye product with CoverGirl. That's an extra $6 back, so ask for a receipt. Ask the cashier to process it through a regular register. Do not use any Walgreens cash for this transaction as you're using a booster. If you have these same IBOTTA rebates as it's an additional $6. Guess what? That entire basket that we just looked at, completely free. Go and make this deal happen. It's great. Okay, the next deal that we're looking at is deal number 2, and for this one, we need this Friend Loaded again. I believe this is of a one-time use, so pick and choose wisely how you wish to use it. Always a smart rule of thumb. So we're going to grab 2 of these L'Oreal Elvives. We have a 3 off a 2 manufacturer and a 2 off a 2 store coupon. So we're going to have to really look at the math to make sure that we have $2 more so we can use that booster. It's $10.98 for the 2 shampoos. And then we're going to throw in 3 of these Dorito chips for $9. And we have a 3 off a 3 digital coupon. Make sure you have that loaded as well. I love Cool Ranch. Do you guys go with the nacho or the Cool Ranch? Always loved the Cool Ranch back in my chip eating days. Oh, I loved those Dorito Cool Ranches. Now we're also going to throw in 2 of these fancier Colgate toothpaste for 10. We have a 5 off of 2 coupon, and then $4 of Walgreens cash when you buy 2 of them. So that's awesome. Now we're going to throw in an assortment of Pantene products. We're going to get some Walgreens cash for buying 3 of them. So the first is the $8 Rescue Shot product, and we have a 5 off of 1 digital coupon. They have the cheaper shampoos for $5.49. We're going to grab 2 of those and toss it into a basket. And we also have an additional 3 off of 2. I think it's like either $3 or $4 of Walgreens cash when you buy 3 Pantene products. So not a bad little deal. Now, show you guys the gorgeous little chorus line. Here it is. All of the coupons melting off. And then we can use the code WAG10 for an additional $10 off. Our total is $48.96. We have $310 melting off. So let's see what this is. That is a total of $45.86. We are still there for the booster. We have $19 in manufacturers melting off. So basically not factoring in the tax, it's like you're paying $26 and then getting back $19 in Walgreens cash. It's a very good deal any way you look at it. I would definitely go and make this one happen. The next deal that I have for you is all the parents out there that need diapers. You need this friend loaded. And then if you remember last Wednesday, we got this, which is a 5-pack when you buy 3 Huggies products. So make sure you have that loaded. That's 15 back on a $45 basket. So that's really, really fantastic. So we're just going to grab a nice little assortment of whatever sizes Huggies that you want. They're 2 for $21, and we have a 3 off of 2 digital coupon. The third bag of diapers will ring up for $10.50. Oh, look, the math was right. $10.50 for that third, and you'll get $5 of Walgreens cash, but in a $45 basket, padding this in. It's a big part of it. I thought 2 Tresemme shampoos for $12, 4 off of 2 digital coupon, plus you'll get an additional $4 of Walgreens cash for buying 2 of these products. Fantastic. And we're also going to throw in 4 of these razors. You can go with the men or the women. So if the women's are completely cleared out in your area, go with the men's Walgreens disposable razors. And we're going to get $4 of Walgreens cash. It's 2 per set. So that's really great. And then just to show you guys, the final item is $2.50 for the M&Ms with peanuts. Back in the day, this was my favorite. I don't know what it was. I think it's the sweet and savory thing. So it is a nice size bag of the 2 of them, of the M&Ms with the peanut inside. So just to show you guys, $4, $3, spring 15, $5.56 melting off. So that's a little something for us, better than WAG 10. I think because we have the diapers, it just gives us more savings. And then the overall total is $51.96. We have $5.56 melting off. So we are at that $45 threshold. We're actually at $46 to be on the level. We have $7 of manufacturers melting off. So paying $42 with your debit card. Do not use Walgreens cash as you're using a spend booster. You're getting back $23. So after everything's said and done, it's like $20 out the door. Not a bad little deal. The final deal that we're looking at is deal number 4, and no big surprise, I want to go for the Axe products. We got a 5 off of 2 for the body wash and a 5 off of 2 for the deodorant. So 2 of these body washes, BOGO 50% off, is $8.98. Subtracting that 5, I mean, that's a great deal. And here is 2 of the brick deodorants at $7.49. Buy one, get one 50% off with a 6 off of 2 digital coupon. So even bigger savings. Why not? The summer months right around the corner. If you want just like a little deodorant to throw in your purse, I know a lot of us like this. This is 50% off at $1.79. No digital coupon to go with, but just a great little item to have around, especially if you like the native line. I certainly do. So just to show you the chorus line, we have the 6 and the 5 for the 2 Axe products, and you can use the code WAG10 to save an additional 92 cents. So the overall total is $22, WAG10 taking 92 cents off with an additional $11 of manufacturers. The total here is $11.34. As we're not doing this deal with the booster, you can use up to $10 in Walgreens cash and go for it. Some really smart deals this week, guys. Go and make it happen. If you want to see deals in store, check out the video linked right here. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.